Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Ministers of newly elected BJP-led alliance government talk about their priorities, chalk out their plans. A Prudent Media special report. Subhash Shirodkar resigns as GPCC president, submits resignation to High Command, accepts responsibility for defeat. Government holds meeting with Diocesan Society of Education. Both parties come to an agreement of absorbing 200 odd computer teachers in diocesan schools. Rift between the councillors for the post of CCP Mayor Tony Rodrigues, Ridresh Chodankar and Vaidehi Naik may contest. Tony plans to contest as independent. Furtados hold back their support. GFA Super Cup finalists meet again, but this time in GCA's 2020 summit. Salgaonkar take on Dempo Cricket Club in Sunday's GPL finals. NRB Goa Sports Academy and GCA Stars lose in semi-finals. And Goa crash out of Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy. Bottom team Meghalaya shock the hosts. Goa Football Association's decision of all performance review assumes more importance. And now the news in detail. Ministers of the newly elected BJP-led alliance government spoke to Prudent about their priorities in their portfolios. They spoke about why they chose specific portfolios and what they intend to do. Here is a special report.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar says that he had requested for Health Ministry to learn something new. He also says that there is need for building trust in people towards government hospitals.
पण हांवें मुद्दाम नवीन कितें तरी शिकचें ह्या दृश्टीन हांवें आरोग्य खातें म्हाका येवचें म्हटलें. कारण केवळ नवीन म्हणूनच न्हय तर आरोग्य खात्याशी सामान्य लोकांचे संबंध निगडीत असतात. येणाऱ्या काळात गव्हर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटलाची बद्दलची विश्वासार्हता ही सामान्य मनशाच्या तकलेंत वाडची. सामान्य मनीस ज्याचो पेशंट हॉस्पिटलांत आसा, गव्हर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटलांत आसा आनी ताच्या खातीर आमदारान फोन करचो पडलो, मंत्र्यान फोन केल्या नंतरच ताची शुश्रुशा जाली अशें जें चित्र जाता तें थांबणें आवश्यक आसा. कोणूय लेमॅन हॉस्पिटलांत गेलो जाल्यार ताची पूर्ण शुश्रुशा जावंक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Tourism Minister Mathani Saldana says that their priorities would be based on the party manifesto. He also says that they would concentrate on heritage tourism.
Our priorities will be based on the manifesto that the party has submitted to the general public. And I think if you go to see, we want to concentrate ourselves on heritage tourism. Second, maintenance of cleanliness of beaches as well as land everywhere. Encourage private participation, develop tourism infrastructure such as parks, water kingdoms, aquariums and so on. Now we would like if what we have lost because of the failure of the previous governments, were not perhaps concerned about tourism. We would also like to develop man-made heritage. We have been only using God-given heritage of nature and we have been destroying it.
PWD Minister Sudhin Davdekar says that he has knowledge of all the portfolios allotted to him. He says that corruption in PWD should come to an end.
आज जे पोर्टफोलिओ म्हाका मेळ्ळे त्या पोर्टफोलिओतलें ज्ञान म्हाका भरपूर आसा. काही जर गोष्टी सोडल्यो जाल्यार हातूंत काम करपा सारकें भरपूर वाव आसा. पब्लीक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंटान गेली 5 वर्सां अत्यंत घृणास्पद रित्या चाललेलें. हाची हांवें नोंद घेतल्या, पर्रीकारांनी नोंद घेतल्या आनी हांगा एकूच म्हाका सांगपाचें आसा की हातूंत ज्यो ज्यो गोश्टी चल्ल्यात त्यो बंद करपाचो इमिजिएट प्रयत्न आमी करतले. इंजिनियर जे काही आसा तांकांय हांव शिटकावणी दिता की ते जे आनी ताजे जे असिस्टंट इंजिनियर कित्याक कितें करता तांणी बंद करचें. बरें गव्हर्नन्स जे झिरो टॉलरन्स, झिरो करप्शन हें हाडपा खातीर त्यांनी आमकां सहकार्य करचें आनी ज्यो गोश्टी तांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जाताल्यो बंद करून एक बरें पब्लीक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट खातें तांणी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न म्हजे बरोबर आनी पर्रीकर बरोबर प्रयत्न करचो.
Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza says that serving people is his only business. Francis says that he does not have any hidden agenda about his portfolios.
One thing I'll tell you, I don't have any other business. Serving the people is my only business. Serving the people is my only business. I don't have any hidden agenda or a vested interest in anything. I'm very clear about it. I only work for the people. I worked for the last 25 years the same way I want to carry on. I dedicate social work. There are a few people who can do it also because everybody has to earn his bread and butter. I don't have to do it. I'm reasonably well off.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Subhash Shirodkar submitted his resignation as GPCC president to party president Sonia Gandhi on Saturday. Shirodkar says that they would try to bring back the people who had left the party when they got hurt. Shirodkar conveyed the reasons of the defeat to Sonia Gandhi.
आज दनपारां मॅडम सोनिया गांधी हांची हांवें भेट घेतली. म्हजे बरोबर दिगंबर कामत आनी अहमद पटेल आशिल्ले, अहमद पटेल साहब आशिल्ले आनी ह्या मिटिंगेक आमचे काही विशयां संबंधी चर्चा जाली, इलेक्शनच्या विशया संबंधी आनी ताजे नंतर मागीर 12:30 सुमार हांवें म्हजो राजिनामो मॅडमी कडेन सादर केल्लो आसा. इलेक्शनची नैतीक जबाबदारी, पराभवाची नैतीक जबाबदारी म्हजेर घेवन हांवें हो राजिनामो दिल्लो आसा. मान्य करप न करप हें मॅडमीचें आसा.
Subhash Shirodkar says that choosing wrong candidates, medium of instruction and corruption to some extent were the issues for defeat of the Congress party in the state.
मीडियम इन्स्ट्रक्शन विशय किंवा तिकेटी घराणेशाही संबंधी आमी जे तिकेट्स दिल्यो त्या संबंधी काही वेळा इवन कॅन्डिडेट्स जे आमी नेहमी विचून काडले ते चुकीचे काडले. उलट दुसरे आमचे जे काँग्रेसचे लॉयल कार्यकर्ते आशिल्ले तांचेर काही ठिकाणी अन्याय जालो तिकेट दिवपा संबंधी. अशे साबार विशय जे आसात न्ही ह्या विशयां संबंधी चर्चा जाली.
Subhash Shirodkar says that he is not involved in illegal mining.
हांव ट्रक ट्रान्सपोर्टर अशें म्हणून ह्या वेवसायांत आसा. म्हाका त्या बद्दल कांयच हें ना, कारण हांवें इलिगल मायनींग करूं ना आनी इलिगल मायनिंगान ना हांवें चडांत चड केला जर जायत जाल्यार ट्रक ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन केल्लें आसा.
We have met the members of the Congress legislature party and all of them have authorized the Congress president to take a decision in regard to the leader of the Congress legislature party. So we have consulted each one of them who had come for the meeting and shortly a decision in this regard will be conveyed.
A reporter from Panjim, Laukik Shilkar.
Finally, the computer teachers can celebrate. The government, along with the Diocesan Board of Education, has agreed to absorb all the teachers. The board has agreed to the proposal of the government. The entire process is expected to be completed within the next 15 days.
In a meeting involving the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Director of Education Anil Pawar, the Diocesan Board of Education has agreed to the government's proposal to absorb all the computer teachers. Around 200 teachers were demanding their regularization in the diocesan-run schools. Many of them have been working for as long as 15 years. The entire process of absorption could take up to 15 days.
Minister was also there, CM. So we discussed how to absorb the teachers, computer teachers which we have been deployed there. And accordingly we have to now act.
What was the response of the diocesan board, sir?
No, they have agreed. Yes, they accept the government decision. We have to move the file.
Okay.
In this regard. Yeah, now next week is busy, another week, 10 to 15 days.
With this decision, the twin issues of delayed salaries and absorption by the schools has been resolved by the Parrikar administration. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez.
There is a rift between the councillors for the post of Mayor. Tony Rodrigues and Rudresh Chodankar from the Babush panel will contest for Mayor's post. Rudresh Chodankar has been backed by Babush Montserrat. However, Tony plans to contest the corporation poll independently. More importantly, the Furtado couple has still not opened their cards.
The probable candidates for the mayor's post are Tony Rodriguez, Rudresh Chodankar and Vaidehi Naik. The elections will be held on 20th March. However, there has been a rift between the councillors of Babush's panel. Tony Rodriguez was hopeful of getting the backing from Babush. However, Rudresh Chodankar has been assured full support by the Taligam heavyweight.
टोनी आमच्या पॅनलांचोच घडटा तेन्ना पळोवया दिसता टोनी पॅनलाचो घात मारचो ना असो टोनी इज अ मॅच्युअर पर्सन असो बॅक स्टेप करचो ना पॅनलाचो जाल्यार दिसता तो सामको सोडून वचचो ना असो.
However, Tony Rodriguez is not in a mood to back out. This is what he told Prudent. Tony Rodriguez says every councillor has the right to contest Panji corporation elections for mayor's post. Rudresh on the other side alleged that some councillors are trying to break the unity amongst their panel.
व्हडलो स्कॅम म्हणजे आमचो म्युनिसिपालिटी मार्केट स्कॅम आसा. आतां ते मार्केट स्कॅमान जे कोण इनवॉल्ड आसा ते बिलां आपली स्कॅमा वयर सरतली म्हणून ते ट्राय करता आमचो ग्रूप फोडपाक. हांव टोनी बीन कोण हितून इनवॉल्ड आहा फक्त जे कोण स्कॅमान इनवॉल्ड आहा ते जाणा ही म्हाजो पयलो स्टेप नंबर 1 मार्केट लीप करपाक. ती घाण मार्केटान जी जाला ती म्हाका लीप करपाक जाय आनी तेज्या खातीर जे कोण हे स्कॅमांनी इनवॉल्ड आहा ते ट्राय करता ही हो ग्रूप आमचो ग्रुपांचे आमचे थोडे कावन्सिलरांक फोडपाक आनी कोण ट्राय करना.
Interestingly, Vaidehi Naik from the BJP's panel has expressed her ignorance on contesting the city corporation election for the mayor's post. She informed that final decision will be taken on Monday. Senior councillor Surendra Furtado, however, refused to comment and said that he, along with his wife Ruth Furtado, are not supporting any panel. A reporter from Panji, Devendra Gaonkar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.